Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do a Dollar Tree haul, but mainly the book and recipe section. I haven't done Dollar Tree haul for a while because I haven't been there for a while. I have spent too many money in Dollar Tree for the last few months, so I need to watch my budget and not spend too much stuff and not doing anything with them either. Anyhow, so I found these books a couple different trips for the last few months, or even so they might still there or not already, depends on a different store, especially book. I think every store, even locally, it's different. But I found these $1 each. This is catch of the day, so meaning it's all about seafood, and a lot of recipes actually pretty easy to follow. I'm not the big cooker, not professional, far from it, so anything easy and healthy will be plus. So this is, you can see, it's so easy to read, and I think they have a couple different type of book too for this company. But yeah, I'm going to make some of it. I have some tuna in the can, so they have a recipe of that too. So this one, tuna salad, and then crock pot. So there's two crock pot actually. I think I got different time. This time I got a while back already, but I just got this a few months ago. So this is pretty easy to follow, a lot of recipes, and with different chickens, vegetables, beef, seafood. There's a couple things I think I would try. And good thing about this, it got all the measurements here. And this is another crock pot cookbook. It's the same thing. Oh, actually, you know what? This is different one. This is my express cooker. This is the pressure crock pot. So they have a recipe for that. So this is not from Dollar Tree, my bad, because I put all these together. So this one does tell you how you cook it with pressure cooker, which I see a lot on sale right now. It's really cheap. This is my second one. My first one my mom bought for me for $100 like 6 years ago, and when I moved, all damaged, unfortunately, so I had to buy it again. I think 2 years ago it was on sale, and now I see some other ads coming out right now. It's like $50 with pressure cook. That's really good. I highly recommend it. This can cook anything basically. And then this is, I found recently, it's a keto recipe, which I like a lot because I'm kind of trying to lose weight and going for keto. And here have everything like salad, smooth, everything on one book instead of me looking online. Usually I have to go online to look. So they also got these chart, which is very helpful. And got keto cakes. So yeah, so nice. Got everything. Seafood, beef, chickens. That's what I got from Dollar Tree. Thank you for watching. If you found video interesting, please subscribe my channel and leave comments. I will post more interesting videos for you. Ciao, have a good day.